When gel baits were first introduced decades ago, they revolutionized German cockroach control. German cockroaches were so attracted to the palatable gel baits, they could be drawn out of harborages to eat the bait off the tip of the application tool. Small amounts of gel bait product placed near or within cockroach harborages became the simpler way of controlling cockroaches. The initial results were extremely successful, and as a result, gel baits began replacing other control measures and became the most widely used product in the industry. However, over-reliance on baits led to the selection of those cockroaches who simply didn't like the bait. So those that ate the bait died, and those that didn't rose in population. The populations that didn't like the bait emerged relatively slowly, so many pest management professionals didn't realize what was happening till it was too late. The industry first addressed this over 20 years ago. In 1993, Silverman and Ross found some field populations of German cockroaches that avoided certain gel baits. It seemed like they developed a behavioral type of resistance known as bait aversion to avoid consuming these baits. But why? Entomologists came to understand that bait aversion developed after repeated application of the same type of gel bait ingredients. Through a screening process that involved eliminating one ingredient at a time, entomologists discovered it wasn't the active ingredient the roaches were avoiding. Instead, some German cockroaches were avoiding the common inactive ingredient D-glucose. This avoidance was linked to a naturally occurring semi-dominant gene, which was then genetically passed on to future populations. As a result, large populations of German cockroaches exhibited bait aversion. Armed with this discovery, manufacturers adjusted their bait formulations to eliminate the presence of D-glucose. However, it was only a matter of time before the new bait foods naturally selected for bait aversion in other cockroach strains would react in the same manner just described. By the late 1990s and early 2000s, PMP saw new bait aversion in some cockroach populations, forcing manufacturers to change the food ingredients in gel baits again. In 2004, Chang-Lu Wang, Michael Scharf, and Gary Bennett found that some German cockroach strains showed avoidance to diets containing fructose, glucose, maltose, and sucrose. Ongoing research has revealed strains of bait-averse German cockroaches that challenge many of our most popular baits, and we've learned that no single bait product can be used exclusively for a long-term successful control program. So what do these discoveries mean? Different bait foods, different active ingredients, and different formulations must be incorporated in a German cockroach control program to avoid the process that leads to behavioral resistant strains, such as bait aversion. BASF's products, Alpine Cockroach Gel Baits Rotation 1 and 2, are the solution to breaking the cycle of cockroach bait aversion. This pair of gel baits is carefully matched as a rotational solution, with different food ingredients in each formulation. By rotating these baits every 3 to 6 months, cockroaches are exposed to a varied menu, one they find palatable and that PMPs find very effective.